Okay, hello everyone. My name is Zoom. You can call me Zoom Master, okay? Today I want to share with you 10 tips to help you getting anything you want. Okay. Number one, focus all your attention on what you want. Be interested in it. Be obsessed by it. Number 2, visualize and imagine yourself doing or having whatever it is you desire. Number 3, okay, be enthusiastic about getting or having it. Number 4, know exactly what you want. Yeah, know exactly what you want. Write down a detailed description. Draw pictures, make models. Okay? Number 5. Yeah, number 5. You know number 5? Okay. Desire it above all else. Above everything else. Above all. Okay? Desire it above all else. Above everything else. Above all. Number 6. Have faith with involvement. Know you can have it. That is already yours. Be involved with whatever you need to do to get it. Okay, number 6. Have faith with involvement. Know you can have it. That is already yours. Be involved with whatever you need to do to get it. Number 7. Do the work required. How do you know how much work is required? When you have it, that was enough. Until you got it, it's not enough. Okay, number 7. Number 8. Give up all things opposing your goal. Give up all things opposing your goal. Number 9. Okay. Pretend you already have it. Pretend you already have it. Number 10. Be thankful for what you already have. Be thankful for what you already have. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, my name is Zoom Master. If you want to learn English better, if you want to improve your English better, faster and better, okay, just contact me, Zoom Master. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time.